If you're looking for ways to increase the value of your Sydney home, you might be overlooking one surprisingly powerful upgrade. A professionally installed sliding gate could improve your property's security, privacy, street appeal, and overall buyer appeal. But can it actually add value to your home? Let's find out. Potential buyers start judging a property before they even step out of the car. A modern sliding gate creates a strong first impression. It instantly communicates security, quality, and attention to detail. When buyers see a well-designed entrance, they often assume the rest of the property has been equally well maintained. Security remains one of the biggest priorities for Sydney homeowners. Sliding gates add an extra layer of protection and can help deter unwanted visitors. Automated systems make access easier while improving convenience and peace of mind. For many buyers, security features can become a major selling point. Privacy is becoming increasingly important across Sydney. A sliding gate helps shield your property from public view and creates a more secluded environment for your family. That added privacy often translates into greater buyer appeal. Aluminium sliding gates are growing in popularity because they are durable, lightweight, and require very little maintenance. Unlike timber, aluminium won't rot, warp, or require regular repainting. It's a practical choice that looks great year after year. While no single upgrade guarantees a specific increase in value, sliding gates can improve several factors buyers care about: security, street appeal, convenience, and privacy. These features can help your property stand out and make a stronger impression when it comes time to sell. Thinking about upgrading your property's security and street appeal? A custom aluminium sliding gate could be one of the smartest investments you make. Contact Aluminium Fencing Sydney today for a free quote and discover the perfect sliding gate solution for your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more expert advice on fencing, gates, and home improvement projects across Sydney.